guys, welcome back to another banger. I have Dino Duck with me.
Banger?
Yeah.
Who says that?
We're gonna do a turtle unboxing video. As you can see, I already have a chicken that Dino Duck gave me. And yeah, and he has a carrot. It looks like a pepper.
No. Show them what it could do.
ASMR. Okay, so I'm gonna use this so I can. Sorry if I'm annoying you guys.
Squishy? Here, I'll hold it.
I'm gonna unbox it with my huge nails. And if you haven't guessed, by the way, I got my nails done. We're out camping right now. If you watch Road Trip, you know that.
Yeah, all my stuff, I was going to make a YouTube video. All my stuff got deleted about the camping trip.
Yeah, she seems sad about it. So, how am I supposed to get
Here, I can get it.
Okay. Thank you, Dino Duck. We can't reveal his name. You know what? I'll just reveal it, Mikey.
What do you mean? Oh, hold it.
Sure. And it's a turtle. Oh, guys, comment down below what we should name him. The three first people that enter will be entered into the name contest, and I will be choosing.
Choosing what?
I will reply the name. I will reply which one won, so you'll know.
Won what? What are we winning?
The name of the turtle. They'll get to name it.
The first one, the comment?
Now, yeah.
Oh,
No,
that
like
sounds nice.
no, like the three people.
First three, and then it will vote?
Yeah, these are my three emojis. This one's a bit messed up. It's fine.
It's fine. End the video.
Bye.